This is a Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, we can see in the about section this is a 19.1.56.0 version. Okay, I'm using Windows operating 10. Okay, 10.0.19045. Okay, so now we need to connect database engine. So we need to go to file, connect object explorer, then you will see this pop-up. Otherwise you can connect from here. This is a object explorer. If not showing here, you need to go in view and you can click on object explorer, it will be so. Okay, so click on the connect database engine, then you will connect from here. Okay, so my case have the server name. If in your PC not showing server name, so you need to go browse more and click on the database engine, then you will be able to see what is your server name. You can select any of the database engine and need to click on OK, but in my case already configured, not need to click on OK. So I'm clicking on the cancel and I'm going to connect now. Okay, we need to click on the connect button, then it will be connect. Okay, so now this is a database. Okay, I'm expanding this. Here have no database, so here we will create a database. Right click on the database, choose this option, new database, and it will be show this pop-up, new database. So here we will type the database name, DB demo. Okay, and click on the OK, and you can see here. Otherwise you can create from the query window. Okay, TSQL using the statement. So here we will also use the same, create database. This is a statement for the creating database, and here we will type the same, name, DB demo. What will happen, we need to check. It's showing the error already exists, like that. Click on the execute. Database DB demo already exists, choose a different database name. Okay, so underscore new, execute this, it will be also created. So right click on the database, refresh it. Okay, you can see this database created by the using TSQL. Okay, and this database we have created using GUI. Okay, manually we have created. So I hope you understand better how to connect database instance and database engine and how to create a database. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.